Good morning, folks. Mark Wilson here at the Fancave. What I have today is a Demco, also known as DEMC, DinWai, Gulf Coast, Commander, probably a multitude of other names depending on what country you're in. But yeah, it's a sweet little fan. Major childhood fan of mine. I remember there was a garden center called Mahoney's in Winchester, Mass. That's still there. And last I knew, they had two brown ones left, but they used to have two brown ones on each side, and then in the center, way up high, there was a white one. I believe they were either 56 or 48 inch. I'm not sure, but the white one turned up missing last time I went back there, and the brown ones were still there. I mean, I'm in search for these fans. If you guys know, if you guys have one, or you know where I can get one, I'll give you either a really good price for it, or I'll give you a really cool trade. So let me know if you've got one. Anyway, this one's a little 36 inch. They also came in 56 and 48 inch configurations. I have a 56 inch. You can find that on a previous video, but this is just a preliminary video for now. Still have to figure out what happened to the lower canopy, and gonna clean it up a bit before I do a an official video for it. But yeah, for now, let's take it for a test spin. I have it hooked up to the standard 5-speed solid state control that came with it. So we've got speed 1, which you'll find is incredibly fast. Yeah, it moves an insane amount of air. Speed 1. Then switch down to speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 4. Speed 5. As you can tell, the 5 speeds, it really runs the gamut from incredibly slow to incredibly fast. It's very, very versatile fan to have. It's technically an industrial, but I'm half inclined to install this in the house somewhere. Now for the spin down. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my page called The Fancave, and check out my Facebook page of the same name. If you could do me a huge favor and click like on this video, I would greatly appreciate it. Alright folks, thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck.